Alright guys, we're back today with Boost Auto Parts new full-length fender lights. If you've seen my previous video, which I'll link to, we installed the smoked fender lights that Boost Auto Parts offered at the time. As you can see, the LEDs are about half the length of the light itself, or of the lens itself, so they're kind of centered on there. These, I'll try to show you. The light is the full length of the lens itself. So still smoked, white LEDs, sequential switchback. So I'm not going to go through the full install process. I'll link to my previous video and Boost Auto Parts install video to show that. But we're going to get these swapped out. I think that the look is going to be a whole lot better, but I mean, different strokes for different folks. So whatever you like for your truck, they offer these in amber, white LEDs, sequential switchback, signal only. I'll link to their website as well. You can see that I think there's 8 different options you can choose from here, and they also offer paint matched products now. So on these GMC Sierras, you can see mine has the black plastic fender flares. You can get these paint matched from the factory, so you'll see a lot that are white on white. If that was the case, you could get Boost to match your factory paint color, and these would be white here. So that's a new feature that they offer. Really cool. I believe they also are now offering paint matched mirror caps. My truck is nasty right now, but paint matched lights on the mirrors, paint matched caps. So check that out as well. They offer a lot of really cool products. You can see I've got the Boost Auto Parts M2 step bars. These are really cool as well. Just a lot of really neat stuff that Boost Auto Parts offers, but let's get into it. All right, so I've got the first light out on the front. Very easy to get to. You can kind of see the difference here when you compare the two. Let me turn the camera. So very easy, direct fit, but you can see the difference in the LED, the way one is centered on it and one is full length. So I'm going to go and get this popped in, and then we'll start on the other side, on the front driver's side. And I'll follow up on these once it gets dark tonight, but you can still see these really well in the daytime. But just a real quick sequence when you unlock the truck. You can see that it's now full length. Lock is the same way. Switching to the back, you'll see the difference here. It's a big difference in the lighting function. Like I said before, it's different, different strokes for different folks. Me, I prefer the full length. It's just, to me, it looks a lot cleaner. Looks a lot more factory without looking factory. I hated the amber lights on these when I first bought the truck. That was one of my least favorite things about the truck. So adding the smoked fender lights really set it off, in my opinion. All right, quick side note, another great thing that Boost Auto Parts offers is this clip kit, and it is just a variety of different clips. If you see the backside of these fender flares, just have a variety of just cheap plastic clips all the way down, and no matter how careful you are, you're pretty much guaranteed to break at least one. I broke one on each side. Actually, I think I broke 2 on the driver's side, so I highly recommend that you go ahead and purchase this clip kit, and then that way you're not waiting on parts from General Motors or Amazon or anywhere else. Just go ahead and get them from Boost Auto Parts, and you'll be back in action. They're very easy. They just pop out and slide right back in, so highly recommend that. All right, so now that it's gotten dark, you can get a better idea of what these look like at night. So that's the startup sequence, and then the white LED is how it'll actually look going down the road, along with the M2 Luma steps, which are also a really cool addition. I'll link to that video as well. You can check those out from Boost Auto Parts, but lots of great items that they have for various trucks. This will also show you same sequence on the smoked mirror lights, same startup sequence, So yeah, just a lot of cool options from Boost Auto Parts. Check them out at boostauto.com.